Woodworking is a craft that feels familiar to many, stirring memories of a time when hands shaped the world around us. For those who grew up in earlier generations, the image of a carpenter at work, whether a family member or a local craftsman, evokes the scent of sawdust and the rhythmic sound of tools shaping wood. My father was a carpenter, apprenticing at 16 under the finest craftsmen in our village. By 19, he was supporting our family with his skill. When I was 5, he set out for the city, tools in hand, building a life for us through his craft. I still remember, as a child, blowing sawdust off the lines he'd carefully drawn on a plank, watching it drift to the ground like snowflakes. Those moments left a lasting impression, sparking my love for woodworking. By a fortunate turn of events, this passion led me to become a woodworking teacher at a Waldorf school, guiding students from grades 1 through 9 in the art of crafting with wood. Woodworking is a deeply grounding practice, nurturing a child's focus, perseverance, physical coordination, and creative thinking. It offers a unique opportunity to connect hands-on projects with classroom learning, allowing students to create objects that reflect their studies. As their skills grow, they're encouraged to tap into their imagination, designing and crafting unique pieces that express their individuality. In the workshop, woodworking is often a favorite among students. They arrive early, eager to begin, and linger long after the session ends. Through their work, they channel creativity and inner strength, embracing challenges to complete each project with pride. In today's education systems, where digital tools and academic pressures often dominate, woodworking offers a vital complement. It connects children with natural materials, letting them feel the texture, warmth, and grain of wood. From mastering simple tools like saws and planes to tackling intricate designs, students develop patience, precision, and problem-solving skills. These abilities extend beyond the workshop, empowering them to approach life's challenges with confidence and independence. Woodworking also fosters imagination and creativity. Through the process of envisioning, designing, and building their own projects, students bring ideas to life, gaining a sense of accomplishment and ownership. This creative journey not only deepens their love for woodworking, but also nurtures innovative thinking and the courage to experiment, qualities that enrich their learning across disciplines. In a world shaped by technology and convenience, hands-on skills are often overlooked. Yet, fostering practical abilities remains essential for children's growth. Woodworking provides a dynamic space where students learn through doing, bridging the gap between ideas and tangible outcomes. In an era where experiential learning is gaining recognition globally, woodworking aligns with the universal need to engage children with the physical world. This book shares my experiences and reflections from teaching woodworking, offering parents and educators a glimpse into its profound value. My hope is that it serves as a window into the vibrant world of woodworking, inspiring you to explore it with the children in your life. May it ignite their curiosity and creativity, guiding them on a journey of joy and growth through crafting with their own hands. I am deeply grateful to the parents and educators who champion woodworking and hands-on learning for children. Together, let's embark on this beautiful journey of creativity and craftsmanship with the next generation.